Okay, here's a very long practice problem. Please start by solving x squared plus 10x plus 30 equals 0. Choose any method you like to solve it, and see what happens when you do try to solve it. Part B, then I'd like you to sketch the graph of y equals x squared plus 10x plus 30. Great. And once you sketch the graph, then in part C, use the graph to explain what happened in part A. Alright, so do some algebra, see what happens, sketch a graph, and then use the graph to explain the algebra. Fabulous. Part D, will x squared plus 10x plus 30 equal 11 have solutions? If so, how many solutions, and if so, can you actually find the solutions? Actually solve that for me. And then finally, part E, for which value k does x squared plus 10x plus 30 equal k have only one solution? Alright, can you use your graph to inform you about what's going on with algebra? The algebra initially, the algebra at the end, and see the interplay between graphing and algebra now. This is actually kind of a cool question to think your way through, so give it a try. Okay, here's another question. It's how many solutions does negative x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0 have? Now, we definitely have all the algebra. In fact, there's lots of ways we talked about solving this one before. You could actually solve this equation and see if you get any solutions. Remember, it's either going to be 2 or 1 or 0. Or if you're one of these people that has the quadratic formula in your head and you remember the discriminant, you could look at b squared minus 4ac and see something about that and what that tells you about the number of solutions. But for now, just for practice, I'd like you to try answering this question by drawing a graph. So what graph could you draw that would actually inform you about the number of solutions to that particular equation? Can you see how graphing actually does it for you? Give it a try. Think about it that way for right now. Okay, and just to finish off, let me help out with the opening puzzle of the day. In fact, there's a lot to explain there, so I'm going to refer you to another website. Remember, we had a quadratic formula that actually spells my initials, JST. And if you want to go beyond powers of x to higher powers, you actually spell your name. This is called a polynomial, and this is my personal polynomial, because it spells my name. If you want to find your own personal polynomial, please go to the website www.globalmathproject.org/personal-polynomial. There you'll see a place to enter your own name, and it'll actually give you your polynomial, and it'll sketch its graph, and you can print it out and have a fabulous time with it. Moreover, you'll see videos of me there explaining the mathematics, why the math works, that's making all this happen. It's kind of magical, it's kind of fun, it's taking this quadratics discussion up to a higher level, and it's neat stuff. Alright, so go to the website and have fun discovering your own personal polynomial.